channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Mary. Today I'm gonna do a review for you, well, a try on, from Beauty. They sent this to me for a review. I got two things. The first thing is Beauty Power On Lipping Lip Gloss in 777. And this is what it looks like. You can smell a lot of that, like minty or Vicks kind of smell, and I can feel it tingling already, and I like that color. So far it's pretty good, really good actually. I like the way it tingles. The next thing I got is Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds from Beauty. And I showed this on another video, but I didn't show how you used it. But inside it comes in this little bag. In the bag, you have the instructions, the what are they called? Stencil, the pomade, the brush, and then the other brush, and then the stamper for the pomade, and directions. So I'm going to pause this, find what stencil I want, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm going to do my best, but I think this color is going to be a little dark for me, but we'll see. So let's see if we start over here. And it flipped a little bit. Oh, that's pretty good. It's not that dark. And then it says if you need to touch up with, it says use a spoon, but I think I just need to add a little more. I'm gonna go do the other eye, and then I'll come back and let you see them both. Well, my eyebrows are not twins, but that's my fault, not the product. But I think it was pretty good. Could be maybe a little lighter, but it's okay. I had to put some more over this one because of this one, but I think it works pretty good. It's pretty easy. I'd give it a try, especially if you're not very good at doing your eyebrows, because I'm not good at doing my eyebrows. I usually don't even do them. If I do, I'll do it real light with a pencil. So, thank you, Beauty, for sending this for review. I really like it, and I would recommend it to people watching to try. Please check out Beauty Method. They're over on Instagram. They're on YouTube. Go check them out and check out their products because they work really good, and they have reasonable prices. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and be part of my family. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.